For those of you who are new to our channel, hi, I'm Marcus. I'm going to share with you today some of the advantages of day trading versus swing trading. The main advantage of day trading is that you don't need a huge sum of capital in order to start trading. It's low capital requirement and it makes it affordable for people who are new to trading, who wants to start learning how to trade. It's a perfect trading time in Singapore, right? We start at 9:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. and within these 2 hours, there are many entry opportunities for you to take a trade. You don't have to spend the entire night trading. Yes, high volume. S&P 500 is one of the 5 largest traded indices in the world, and this allows for many entry opportunities within a very short time frame. It's a very liquid market. Liquid means there are a lot of people who are buying and selling at each price level. So it allows you to get into a trade very easily and get out of a position with profits easily as well. There's good daily range. Usually the range is more than 10 to 15 points a day, sometimes even more than that. So when you have such a great range in trading, it gives you a lot more buffers, a lot more advantages, a lot more room to let your profits ride even. Short exposure to the market. Okay. For us, and when we are day trading, most of the time when we take our trade, the duration of our trade lasts anywhere between 5, 10, sometimes even 15 minutes. Okay, but can you see that it's such a short time? Okay, very quickly we are in and out of a position. Difference between day trading and swing trading is that for swing trading, your capital is actually tied up because you are looking for medium to long term. But in day trading, because you are in and out of the market, you free up your capital so that your capital is not locked in, allowing you to spot any other entry opportunities to take your trades. Now, if you're swing trading, if your capital is locked up, if there's a good trading opportunity that pops up along the way, you may be unable to do anything about it. Well, we are not subjected to intraday risk exposure. Okay, because we are in and out of a position very quickly, we are not subjected to any spikes up or spikes down due to data release or due to some adverse news condition. So we are not vulnerable in that sense, where we are able to stay safe in trading and stay consistent. Thank you for watching our channel. Okay, please leave a comment below to let us know what other videos and what other topics you would like us to cover. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell below. Thank you. Have a nice day.